everyone, Liz Holterhouse here from OBX for Sale, talking about the things I absolutely love for my Airbnb. Having traveled all over the world in Airbnbs, I found it pretty important early on to have ours well labeled. So we have the 926 at the road. This is their parking area, and then as soon as they pull up, they see Piper's Place, 926 Water Lily Road here. They enter through this gate and they're greeted with these lights. I love these. I've been using these for years. I use them in my long-term rental as well. These are Baxia, and these are motion detected solar lights. These are 3 years old. The ones on my long-term rental are probably now 6 years old. I think probably 2018 or early 19 I put those up, so maybe 5 years old. Still working strong, still come on every time that you go by them. And I'm gonna have to come out and do a video of these at night because they just they light up everything, and then they go off pretty quickly. So they light up the walkway. You come through here, there's one there, there's one right here, there's one at the base of the stairs right there in the private entrance, and then there is also one at the top of the stairs. And then we use them in the front of the house to light up our stairs as we walk in as well. Absolutely love them. Any place that's a little dark, or like I don't like to leave this light on up here because it is motion detected, but we're so windy here all the time that the wind constantly has that thing going off and on like a strobe light all night long, and it just kind of messes up the light pollution, and it kind of I'm afraid it'll distract neighbors and stuff like that. So just don't like it. I love these little low lights that go on and off very quickly, just long enough to let you pass. Hey everyone, Liz Holterhouse here from OBX for Sale, Keller Williams, on the Outer Banks of North Carolina, and we are out here in the dark tonight to show you what these solar motion lights look like when they come on. These are one of the best finds I've ever found. Oh, there goes another one. There's another one. And as our guests come up the stairs here, they're greeted by one here. Now we also have them on the front of our house like you saw, and I've got them around on the side by our hot tub. And these lights I also have in my long-term rental over on the beach. They've been there on the fence on the inside of the courtyard now for 4-5 years and have never failed, have never had to have a battery changed, nothing. These have all been here about 3 years now, and same thing. So when our guests pull up to the fence and come around the corner to check in, as they make their way around, those lights quickly come on and guide their way up onto the screened-in porch so they can check in. And the thing I love the most is no electricity. They quickly go back off, and they're triggered by motion. There we go. Great little product. You can buy them in multi-packs, and like I said, they just last forever. And we're out here on the Currituck Sound, 5 miles from the Atlantic Ocean, so even the salt environment has not hurt them at all.